Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. Using the half swipe feature on Snapchat, we can easily read any text message without opening the conversation. And here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Snapchat and go to the chat tab. And here, as you can see, a new chat. And now, to read this message without knowing, all you have to need, choose the message you want to have swipe and then light press your finger on the sender Bitmoji or profile icon and then swipe to the right side like this, and then you will be able to read the message. That's all. Once done, again swipe left when finish reading, and as you can see, I've successfully read the message without opening the conversation and without knowing them. So this is how we can have swipe on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.